like, okay. What's up, hackers? It's me, GoldieBlox. Do you hear that? It sounds like waves crashing and seagulls quacking and, you know, sand getting stuck in your shoes and you're crying about it later. Wait, do you not hear that? Guys, summer is coming up. It's right around the corner. I'm just trying to get in the mood. I mean, once you're done with these hacks, you won't know what's different. Your room or the beach. Your room looks the same. Don't stay inside, go to the beach. It's time to ocean your room. And for our next hack, we have an ocean wave jar. Literally, look at that. You just have to tip it side to side and it makes actual like waves. And my little whale is riding the waves. Guys, this is literally just the magic of oil and water. So the oil always floats to the top because oil is less dense than water. And you see this? So the orca is right in the middle because it's more dense than oil, but then less dense than water. So it's just smushed right there. Did you know that over 8 million metric tons of plastic go into the oceans every single year? Seriously, try to cut down on plastic use. You have to protect all the sea creatures. Like this little orca. He needs our help. Instead of using plastic water bottles, use a reusable bottle. It's all about cutting down on plastic when you can. Let's hack it. For this DIY, I'll need ocean toys, baby oil, water, food coloring, and an empty bottle. First, fill the bottle halfway with water and add food coloring. Next, pour in the oil to fill the rest of the way. Drop in your mini ocean toy, turn it horizontal, and check out the motion of the ocean. Wavy. And for our last hack, we have ocean curtains. Guys, I am obsessed with these. These look like they could come from Pottery Barn, okay? This is from Amazon and tie-dye. Actually, get into marine biology because majority of scientists estimate that there are thousands of sea creatures that we haven't even discovered them yet. Literally, we've only mapped out or seen 5% of the ocean. 5% of the ocean. That means 95% of it is open, left to be explored. If you get a 5% on a test, you don't even make it, man. No, that's an F minus. Maybe an F minus double 10 minus. 9, that freaks me out just a little bit. Guys, actually do marine biology and discover a sea creature that we haven't found yet, and then shout out me. Obviously, now we're done with that tangent. Ocean curtains, let's hack it. For this DIY, I'll need white curtains, a tie-dye kit, trash bags, and gloves. Place trash bags down on your work area so your mom doesn't yell at you. Put your gloves on so you don't dye your hands blue. Dampen the bottom of the curtains and cover them in blue dye. Layer up, diluting the tie-dye mixture with more water as you go to lighten the color. Complete the tie-dye process per the kit's instructions. Mine said to wait 8 hours and rinse. Allow to air dry and hang. So cool. And that is it for today's video. Make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more DIYs every single Friday. Turn on those post notifications so you never miss another video. GoldieBlox signing off.